What's up everybody, Chatt Cats Fishing here. Welcome to today's episode. We got Dakota and we got Billy. We are on his boat today and we are fishing Tennessee River, Nickajack Lake, and we're gonna go for a big catfish hopefully. I'm gonna be using my new rod, the Shattered Cat rod that I got from the Catfish Conference. It's a one-piece graphite rod. Really excited to try it out, so let's see what we can do. Let's see here. I really do like this cutting board. I need to get something like this. Using skipjack chunks as bait today. That's why they call it catfish candy.
Got your rod back here.
All right guys, we're gonna move spots. Hopefully we can get on a fish. We're gonna be going towards downtown now. Hit some bridge pilings and hit some flats. And then maybe call it a night, we'll see. All right guys, we're hooked up. It's a pretty good fish. He was pulling drag. He's not that big, but it's the first fish, guys, on the Shattered Cat rod. Oh yeah. He's shaking a lot. Maybe, he's probably about 10, 15.
Probably about 15.
That current though makes it a lot stronger, that's for sure. He's probably 15.
Yeah, he makes it feed.
Maybe just get the grippers on him, or yeah, I'd probably say.
See how you grab that bare hand.
That's right. That's how we do it. All right, guys. All right, thanks. He'll probably go maybe 15.
Yeah, at least 15. I got flyers.
All right, guys.
That's yourself if you get him in the water.
That's a nice fish, 15 pounds. I'll take that.
Get down there and I'll take a picture.
We're gonna release this bad boy, 15 pounds. Alrighty. There he goes. Back to the depths. We're gonna call it a day or an evening here. Only one fish. We were only out here for a couple hours. We had this big nasty cold front coming in. Looks like we're gonna have winter again. After all, it's been pretty mild here in the scenic city. I mean, it's been 70 degrees in the past couple days, but it's gonna be dropping down to the 30s and high 20s in the next day or two. So give a thumbs up for this video, guys, and we'll see you in the next episode. We're talking a 65-pound Tennessee River monster, a beautiful fish, Beautiful fish. We're gonna go ahead and get this guy back in the water. But man, what a fish.